I don't use a lot of technology with my students, but I'm going to show you an app that I think is great for working on pre-handwriting skills, some fine motor activities, believe it or not. And it's called Dexteria Jr. I'm going to try to show it to you as quickly as I can. It has 3 different games within it, and I think you can get it for about $3. So the first one, Squish the Squash. They all come with these different levels.
Tap the squash.
It'll tell you what to do, and then it gives you this information that's great. So once you go through one screen, then it will lead you to the next one, and it gets complex like this. The squash start moving, and then you have to hit them 3 times before you can complete it. Once you complete that section, then it'll take you to a screen, as I said, to move on to the next thing. This one works on finding a point in space, and as you can see, when it starts moving around, it's working on tracking skills as well as motor coordination. The next one, Trace and Erase, is really, you will be able to see how closely it supports handwriting skills, because it gives you boundaries, and it gives you feedback on when you go outside of those boundaries. So I'll start off with a simple one.
Drag the arrow to the star.
Okay. Right, now watch what happens if I go outside the line. Okay. And so once you've gone through these, then it'll also let you erase them.
Drag the
Try to go through this really quickly so don't waste your time. And
You
they
are
have
great.
some kind of cool little picture that it makes for you when you get done. Creepy, depending on your opinion. It also it advances to more challenging positions like diagonals, and it goes through that same process, so it'll keep going around like that across lines. Okay, so as you can see, I'm not going to finish it. Okay, but great for kids who are learning to write. Pinch the pepper.
Using your thumb and index finger, pinch the pepper.
I really thought that you couldn't really work on pinch with a flat screen. How do you do that? But once you do this, you realize that you can. And if you've done it for a while, you can feel the fatigue in your fingers. It shows you that you, in fact, are working on pinch skills. But what you have to do is you have to be very accurate. You have to come in. I'm going to turn it sideways so you can see it better. Now, if I try to do it like a lot of students do, and I try to put one finger on first, or it doesn't quite match up, it won't let me get it. Oh, but I got it together. So anyways, it does advance, and it gets much more complicated, and they move faster. And then some of the peppers will change colors. If you pinch a pepper that is the wrong color, that is turned yellow, then it will give you more. So there's more feedback about being accurate. Great app, Dexteria Jr.